Now in my memory comes my mother as she used in years ago. ठीक है, के ऊपर हम लोग ने देखा कि यहाँ पे उनके सारे मेमोरीज क्या होते हैं, रिकलेक्ट होते हैं, राइट. एवरी मेमोरी ऑफ the poet is being recollected, and out of which the most beautiful memory which he has is one with his mom. ठीक है, and वो बोलते हैं कि ये जो सारी मेमोरीज जो मेरी प्यारी मेमोरीज है उनमें से सबसे बेस्ट वन जो है वो मेरी कौन सी है, वो मेरी मॉम के साथ है, एंड वो मुझे रिकलेक्ट होती है एज शी यूज्ड इन इयर्स अगॉन. ठीक है, अगॉन ओवर हियर मींस जो वक्त चला गया है. To regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. ठीक है, एंड वो क्या बोलते हैं, to regard the darling dreamers, एंड उन्हें क्या लगता था, उनकी जो मॉम थी ना, वो ये जब पोएट होते थे वो क्या करते थे, सोए रहते थे जब ऐसी बारिश आती थी. तो उनकी मम्मा जो थी वो उन्हें सोने देती थी. क्यों? बिकॉज उनको डार्लिंग ओवर हियर मीन्स द पोएट ड्रीमर्स. मतलब क्या, कि उन्हें ऐसे लगता था कि मेरा जो सन है वो देख रहे हैं, उनको मैं डिस्टर्ब ना करूं, एंड वो अपने जो पोएट है उन्हें वो सोने देती थी. सो दैट इज व्हाई ही इज रिमेम्बरिंग हर मदर ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम, दैट टू रिगार्ड द डार्लिंग ड्रीमर्स एर शी लेफ्ट देम टिल द डॉन. ठीक है, डॉन मतलब क्या, सुबह की पहली किरण, जिसे हम जिसे बोलते हैं ना, द डे ब्रेक. तो जब डॉन होता था तब तक उसकी मॉम उन्हें पोएट को सोने देते थे. ओ आई फील हर फाउंड एयर. एयर ओवर हियर मींस बच्चा ओल्ड पोएटिक वर्ड, ओके, जिसे हम बिफोर बोलते हैं. सो बिफोर शी लेफ्ट देम टिल द डॉन, एंड वो कब तक उन्हें सोने देती थी, जब तक कि डॉन. डॉन इज व्हाट, द डे ब्रेक, के जब तक दिन का ब्रेक नहीं हो. मतलब क्या, कि जब तक जो पहली सुबह की किरण जब तक आए नहीं, तब तक उसकी मॉम जो थी पोएट की वो उन्हें सोने देती थी. As I wish, oh, I feel her fond look on me. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. And वो क्या बोलते हैं, Oh, I feel her fond look on me. And मुझे आज क्या याद आ रहा है, वो जो लुक जो मम्मा मुझे ऐसे देखते थे, वो मुझे सोने देते थे, वो उन सारी उनकी यादें मुझे आज याद आ रही है. As I listen to this refrain. Refrain मतलब क्या, समथिंग विच इज रिपीटेड. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या रिपीट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे जो रेन ड्रॉप्स है वो बार बार रिपीट हो रहे हैं, राइट. सो यहाँ पे ही इज व्हाट ही सेइंग दैट एज दिस रेन ड्रॉप्स आर रिपीटिंग एंड द सॉन्ग is playing upon the shingles, के ये जो साउंड है ये भी shingles पे जब तक सुनाई दे रहा है, what I am able to recollect, I am able to recollect my memories, and out of which the most precious memory which the poet shares is one with his mother. ठीक है, तो वो वही बोल रहे विच इज प्लेड अपॉन द शिंगल्स, कि ये कब तक मैं सुन रहा हूँ, जब तक ये साउंड का जो वॉइस है वो शिंगल्स पे गिर रहा है. एंड बाय द पैटर of the rain. Patter over here, as I again said, patter is the sound which is used, okay, by the patter sounds of raindrops which are falling on the roof. उसे हमने बोला है patter, patter of the rain. समझा पूरा पोयम?
Yes.
चलो अभी एक समरी बताओ. समरी कौन बताएगा क्या था पोयम में पूरा? What does the first stanza over here means? ठीक है, चलो मैं फटाक से बोलती हूँ, आप लोग सुनो. ठीक है, when the humid shadow hovers over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the pattern of the soft rain overhead, right? So what is the poet over here comparing? Poet is comparing raindrops to tears, and he says that the dark cloud, which seems to be very sad, it appears as if he is, or as if it is, crying, and the raindrops are the tears which are shed by the cloud. He adds, it is like a blessing to lie on the bed in his room and listen to the sound which is made by the rain drops falling on the roof. The poet is expressing what he's expressing over here. The poet is expressing his feelings when he hears the raindrop falling on the rooftop of his house. ठीक है, ये इतना हम लोग ने फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में देखा ना. What is the second paragraph all about? Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. So, what in the second stanza the poet is saying? He says that every tinkle on the rooftop of his house, yeah, as an echo in the heaven, right? It has a echo, and whenever he hears rain falling on the rooftop, it repeats in his heart and in his dreams. He adds it creates many different dreams in his mind, right? We have seen he says that it creates many different dreams in his minds, and he recollects many memories of past which comes back into his mind in his dreams. Okay, now in memory comes my mother as she used years ago to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond sound. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I listen to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. And what he's trying to say that out of the dreams or all the memories which he's recollecting, he introduces his mother. He tells that his favorite memory which is repeated in his dream is the one which he shares with his mother. He is dreaming of his mother. It is the memory of his mother who is no longer alive that poet refers as the memory of past. She used to love him a lot, and she would let him sleep till the daybreak, till the dawn, and she used to allow him to have sweet dreams. He still feels that mother is looking at him as he listens to this song, which is made by the rain. The sound makes him correlate his past and his present. That is why the poet is moved by the sound which the rain is making, right? It recollects all of his memories from the past, and it also reminds him of his mother, right? That is what we have seen so far, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, yeah,
Right. Right. Real.
what do the following phrases means to you? Discuss in your class. Okay, now they are asking you some questions that what do this following phrases means to you. Does humid shadows over here means क्या देखा हम लोग ने ह्यूमिड शैडो मतलब क्या है the dark clouds which is full of water means dark cloud of water. Second, what does stereosphere mean? अ, आवाज आ रहा था बच्चा लोग आपको? Yeah. What
No,
does
ma'am.
Terrestrials over here means terrestrial means the sky which is full of stars, right? The terrestrial over here means sky at night which is full of stars. What does humid shadow over here means? Humid shadow means dark clouds which is full of water or which is full of moisture. Water bliss. What does water bliss over here means? Bliss means blessing or you can say happiness. 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start. What does that mean? It means that people start having sweet dreams. Are you guys getting, both of you?
Yeah.
1,000 recollections weave their air threads into woof. What does that mean? It means that when people are asleep, the memories of the past, which comes back into their mind in the form of dreams. Next, what does the poet like to do when it rains? क्या देखा हम लोग ने? The poet likes to lay in the bed and hear the rain which is falling on the roof of his room. So that is the answer. What is the single major memory that comes to the poet? Single major memory. What are the darling dreamers he refers to, right? So the poet has memories of his beloved mother. When he was a child, she would put him and his siblings to bed and allow them to sleep till day. Till till date, or you can say till late. They had sweet dreams in their sleep. Darling dreamer over here refers to the poet and his siblings when they were children and had sweet dreams. So you can say that. Is the poet now a child? Is his mother still alive? So no, now the poet is not a child and he is an adult and his mother is not alive anymore. When you were a young child, did your mother tuck you in as the poet did? So this is again like a personal response question. आपको आपका response लिखना है. तो again ये आपका क्या हो जाएगा? Homework हो जाएगा. ये सारे questions जो ऊपर से हम discuss कर रहे हैं, ये सारे thinking about the poem से लेके ये आपका सारा homework है. Next. Do you like rain? What do you do when it rains steadily or heavily as described in the poem? So again, it is your personal response question that what do you do? Do you go outside, enjoy rains, or you sit at home, have some fun? Anything what you do, you need to write. Does everybody have a cozy bed to lie in when it rains? Look around you and describe how different kinds of people or animals spend time, seek shelter, etc. during rain, right? I thought everyone has a cozy bed, right? So, what are the situations which you see around you? Do everyone have cozy beds? How other kinds of people, other kinds of animal spend time? That is what you need to write. So, again, these three questions are your पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स क्वेश्चन. आपका रिस्पॉन्स आपको इसमें लिखना है. All that I am or even hope to be, I owe to my angel mother. This is a beautiful quote which is given by Abraham Lincoln, which describes the affectionate one should have for mother. Now coming towards the figure of speech. Figure of speech पता है बच्चा लोग alliteration क्या होता है? What do you mean by alliteration? When alphabets, alliteration मतलब क्या? Alphabets, alliteration का A, alphabets का A. So when alliteration, when alphabets are repeated in the sentence, you call the sentence as alliteration wala figure of speech. So in this sentence, this one becomes alliteration. Why? Because over here the H sound is repeated. Humid का H और hover का H. पढ़ा है आप लोगों ने figures of speech पहले? Both of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. अभी यहाँ पे कौन सा हो जाएगा figures of speech? Second line. बोलो. The session will get over in 1 minute, so kindly rejoin. हाँ बच्चा लोग.